Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Well, folks, what a week we had, right? I'm gonna cover the technical analysis for the upcoming support and resistance. Some news came out, I want to share because I'm excited, I'm pumped for Marathon Digital Holdings, MARA, baby. So the week we were sitting at came at $29.56, and then we read it all the way high of $36.18. Friday we closed over 10.85%, and after hours we even closed close to $36. I'm excited. I'm pumped. There's a lot of bright weeks coming up, even months is coming up for MARA. I definitely want to share with you guys on the technical side, but before, let's talk about the news, right? Definitely want to cover some news with you guys. Hey folks, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification if you guys interested on any other stocks. I really appreciate you guys' support. So Bitcoin's price fluctuations makes it difficult to calculate the revenue projection of Bitcoin miners. A drop in the BTC price affect the values of companies' Bitcoin holdings, vice versa. According while Marathon Digital's MARA Q2 revenue grew substantially from the same period of last year. The top line figure came below the expectation as the Bitcoin price dropped during the quarter. However, the more importantly, the hasty rise Kevin Doyle in the fact of the company upscaling the operation by next year will be the largest North American public Bitcoin miner. In Q2, the company increased the hash rate of 196% quarter over quarter from 0.2 HEC at the end of the Q1, roughly of 2.09 of EHS by the end of June. By expanding the operation of the recent additional of 30,000 S91G Pro miners, the company is able to support the 13 HE by the middle of the year. But with the expansion, Marathon also providing a new asset of life strategy, preferring their own more rigs without the endurance and the equipment unrelated revenue generation. In this U10 from the previous line, thought they should let the investment in the Hardly Montana facility. Meanwhile, the Marathon is a key hosting partner of the Commute North, which should have two separate facilities. Ed is preparing the Texas ready soon to host a plenty of marathons grow over generally as arsenal of miners, right? Also, continuing on this article, definitely wanted to share with you guys the key stuffs on that. According to debate rated buy of MRA shares are backed at a target price of 50. There is a 43% upside from the current price. So there's a lot of ratings coming up, a lot of good news for this company to be of $50. I definitely see something over $75 in terms of the growth of the company is growing, and it's growing at a phenomenal pace. So I'm very excited and the growth of the future, right? Let's talk about the technical side before I let you guys quick go. So the key areas when we have this we start from the year to date. Let's start with the year to date. The pink line you'll see was our 200-day moving average, sitting time and time acted as a support at sitting at $25, right? 60-day moving average is sitting at $29.52. We are trading below, and the 20-day EMA is sitting at $32.55. So everything is pointing for an uptrend. When we came and bounced back at $25 level again, came and tested it, and we came back right at our 60-day, right? When we came at right at $29.72, there was some sort of panic going on. I mentioned, folks, patience, because we have a 60-day moving average. We're going to act as a support. It came as acted as support. We pushed a high. Even on Friday, we went high of $36.18, but we closed at $36 on Friday, right? So what are the key things we're looking at? We got to close at 30 right here. So we closed at $34. So I'm going to leave it $34.60 is going to be our next support, right? We're gonna change it to our next support. So our next resistance is none other than is $37.43, right? And then we're gonna have a next resistance coming right up over here, right? And sitting at $39.76. So $39.26 is going to be our next support, resistance level sitting. But before that is $37.43 and $39.26 will be our two very, very important resistance level. We're going to go back at 3 months, right? So 3 months, you'll see our moving averages are all lined up. When you have these three moving averages, the 200-day, the 60-day yellow line, and the blue line right here, 20-day, everything is on pointing towards. We are going on the overbought territory, so something we're gonna see some kind of pullback, zigzag going like higher highs, higher lows. I'm okay with that. So something we're gonna see how the market reacts on Monday. We know there's a lot of tensions going on outside the US against Afghanistan's and Taliban's issues going on. So could have some down effect on that, but we got to brace ourselves because how the economy is going to react, right? So we are making some recovery all the way from $37 coming back to the $29. We talked about it, folks. It could be a loading zone, and we see that people have stepped in during the $29.70 and load up shares. Congrats to them who added more shares. But volume, right? Volume is slowly picking up on this. You'll see that we have volume is slowly picking up, but not quite a lot that I'd like to see something over 25 million to 35 million trading shares. But because volume predicts price, folks, we're definitely going to see some more volumes kicked in, right? So the key things on the Monday moving forward, definitely moving forward on Monday is, okay, let me go back to a 6 months so we can have a better look on this. Yes, so moving forward on Sunday, we definitely got to keep an eye. Very too important, $34.60 of support, right? And then $39 we know is gonna be sitting right roughly here, but I'm gonna have this, since our moving average is sitting right up here at $30, right? We know it's gonna be another support. We're gonna have our another support sitting right over here at $32.47. So two support levels sitting $34.60 and then $32.47. The two resistance level is we got to break is $37.43 and $39.26, right? Overall, what we're looking, it's a reversal coming in, some sort of reversal, but we're gonna see they'll be trading in between this channel or is it below this channel, right? Love to see it trading between 35 to 37 before we make higher highs and higher lows. But overall, we are making a recovery, right? We are making a recovery from all the way, you'll see, up here to here, right? We are making some sort of recovery right up here when we had all the way from $57 came all the way to $18.55. And now we're making some recovery, and you'll see that. I love to see this, make this trend right here and keep making higher highs and higher lows, right? Definitely don't want to come back and test the $25 or even lows of $20, right? Definitely don't want to see that, right? But we are on road of recovery. So I'm excited, folks, what we have coming for this week. Definitely something to watch out this week. I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys, who people on the positive side. But there's a lot of money to be made. There's a long way to go, all the way up to $57.75. That's all I have, folks. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification so you guys can constantly be updated. Really appreciate you guys commenting down below. Please free to comment. I love to hear you guys thought. Where you guys see the stock price is going to be end of this year. Thank you very much for watching the video, and have a great day. Thank you.